12 rarest facts about India you might not know. Number 1. World's largest cricket stadium. In India, Sardar Patel Motera Stadium, built in Motera area of Ahmedabad city, is the largest cricket stadium in the world. Earlier, this status was given to Melbourne Cricket Ground in Australia. It can accommodate more than 0.1 million spectators at a time. This world-class stadium, built on 63 acres of land, has cost about $93 million. It has 76 corporate boxes, 4 dressing rooms, 3 practice grounds, an indoor practice pitch, a training center, and a 55-room clubhouse. Apart from this, there is an Olympic-size swimming pool, badminton and tennis courts, table tennis area, and a theater with a 3D projector. Number 2. World's largest bird statue. Our country has the largest bird statue in the world, which belongs to the bird Jatayu, which is related to Ramayana. This is situated in Jatayu Nature Park, Kollam, Kerala, which is spread in 65 acres. The sculpture of Jatayu is spread in 30,000 square feet. Built on a mountain, the statue is 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, and 70 feet high. It took 7 years to build this. Number 3. Robot as teacher. It's for the first time that a robot teaches children as a teacher in a school. The robot has been hired as a teacher in a private school in Bangalore based on the technology of artificial intelligence. The name of this robot is Eagle 2.0, which looks like humans. It's not only teaching children, but also solving their problems. This robot teaches 5 different subjects to more than 300 children from class 7 to 9. The robot is designed with lightweight 3D printed material and smart servo motor. Number 4. Pizza ATM. Taking a unique step, the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation has installed Anytime Pizza machine at 5 local stations in Mumbai. The biggest feature of these machines is that you will get a completely fresh pizza in 8 minutes. Passengers will also see pizza being made for the first time, because this machine will make pizza in front of them. Number 5. First underwater train. India's first underwater train will be built in Kolkata. This 16-kilometer-long line built in the Hooghly River will be connected from Salt Lake Sector 5 stations to Howrah Field. The metro tunnel is being built since 2017, which is 520 meters long and 30 meters deep. Number 6. Unique Waste Material Recycling Factory. The owner of Preeti International Limited, Loya couple, a Jodhpur resident, has created a unique empire of handicraft items. Their handcrafted items are in demand in 36 countries. You will find innumerable strange things in these factories, from car sofas to dining tables made by junk items of buses. Number 7. Robot as waiter. India's first robot restaurant is open in Parur on the outskirts of Chennai, where robots not only take orders from customers but also serve them by bringing things to their table. These robots take orders from customers in English and Tamil. They look great in appearance and are designed in white and blue. In this restaurant, the hotel staff has been given special training to operate them. Number 8. Statue of Bahubali. A statue of Bahubali, situated on a hill called Indragiri in Mysore district of Karnataka, is 56 feet high and constructed from a single stone block. It is called the Gomateshwara statue and is considered the tallest statue in the world. Number 9. Train with flight-like facilities. Tejas Express of India is the first private train in the country with modern facilities like flight, which has a comfortable and fast pace as well as plenty of entertainment for the passengers. This train has 12 bogies and travels from Lucknow to New Delhi with 400 passengers. Like an airplane, every seat of Tejas Express has an LCD screen. Like the flight attendants, This train also has uniformed attendants. Number 10. World's highest statue. Situated 209 kilometers from Ahmedabad, the 182-meter-high statue of Iron Man Sardar Patel, Statue of Unity, is the tallest statue in the world. The height of this statue, weighing 1,700 tons, is so much that it can be seen even from a distance of 7 kilometers. It has cost about $400 million. 25,000 tons of iron and 90,000 tons of cement have been used in the construction of this statue. Number 11. Jyoti Ange, a resident of Nagpur in our country, is the youngest woman in the world who has several titles in the Guinness Book of World Records. Jyoti is just 62.8 centimeters or 2.06 feet and weighs only 55 kilograms. Actually, Jyoti is suffering from a bone disease called achondroplasia since the age of 5. Jyoti is now 36 years old. Number 12. India's first 24/7 learning center. There is a learning center in our country where you can study at any time of the day or night. The Nalanda campus is the first educational institution to be run in Raipur for 24 hours and 7 days. It is a world-class building built at a cost of $180 million, where students can prepare for their competitive exams. In the Nalanda campus, indoor and outdoor readings have been arranged for reading. Thousands of people can study it at one time. There are 24 hours of running stationery, bookstalls, medical and restaurants, etc. for those studying here. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.